Welcome, all you inspiring people out there. Today we will see how to paint tulips step by step. So let's get started. Let's see the strokes involved. We will start with double loading our flat brush with the colors of our choice. I will link the detailed tutorial on how to load a flat brush for one stroke art on the top right corner of the screen. I am making guiding lines for the back petal. We will create the back petal along these guiding lines. Next, we will make the guiding lines for the side petals. Notice the lines bending towards the center petal at the topmost part. We will create the petals along these guiding lines. For demonstration purpose, I have left a little space between the petals so that the shape of the petals is clearly visible. Petals will overlap in the actual flower, which we will see in a moment. Final stroke for the closing petal will simply be the smaller version of the back petal. Let's bring all the strokes together to create the tulip flower. Let's see one more time for a better understanding. We'll make the back petal and the guiding lines for the side petals. I am creating side petals separately to have a clear idea of their shape. And finally, the closing petal. Now we'll put the petals together to create the tulip. It's a good idea to keep practicing and experimenting with the strokes. Let's create the stem and leaves for the tulips. For the tulip leaves, start at the chisel edge of the brush, sliding it gently and lifting it up again on the chisel. Here are a few more different versions of tulips and tulip buds. I hope you have found this video helpful. Drop a like if you enjoyed the tutorial and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.